Hello everyone, welcome to Money Magic. Let's get started with short stock shorts. Let's start with market level. Today Nifty opened at 14075 and make an high of 14215. Today the 23 stocks were advanced and 27 were declined. Among the sectoral index, Nifty IT and Nifty banks were up by 2.6% and 1.6% respectively, whereas Nifty metal and Nifty reality were top losers. Today, top gainers are Axis Bank, HDFC, IndusInd Bank, HDFC Life, Wipro, and top losers are ONGC, Jindal Steel, Hindukool, Tata Steel, and Bajaj Finance. In Sensex, 14 stocks were declined, 16 up. Today, FII buy of 9 crores and DI sales of 490 crore. Currently, Sensex PE is 33.6. HCL Technology has completed the acquisition of Australian IT solution firm DWS effective January 5 billing shown. Earlier, HCL has announced it will acquire DWS for around 850 crores. DW has over 700 employees and office in Melbourne, Syntax, Adelaide, Brisbane, and Canberra. It provides a range of IT services including digital transformations, project management, and consulting. Traditionally, IT companies has been the first to kick off the results session. For quarter 3, the street is upbeat on the results against the backdrops of a heavily ordered pipelines, larger order wins and a favorable outlook guided by Acidric PLC. Major IT stocks such as TCS up by 1.6%, Infosys 0.1%, Wipro 2.3%, and HCL by 1.2% rose today. In quarter 3, these stocks has been delivered gains ranging from 15 to 25%. The infra projects placed and backed a 603 crores contract for the upgrading and maintenance of highway projects in Chennai. The stock rose 5.4% intraday and closed 0.6% higher today. It is currently trading around its previous lifetime high of 350 rupees, which it hits in December 2017. Shares of Cascades and foreign market Talpios Auto rose over 7.8%, supported by strong volumes. The company announced that in quarter 3 its Cascade business grew 25% over the same quarter in 2019, which its forking business grew 45%. Baskets continue about 65% of its revenue and forkings covered the balance sheet. The company derives two-thirds of the sales from the domestic market and supplies to major OEMs such as Hero Motorscorp, Bajaj Auto, and Maruti, amongst others. As many as 6 companies are likely to come out with an IPO this month. Overall, the street expects over 15 companies to go public in 2021. Better than expected economy recovery, strength in equity markets, and favorable response to recent IPOs has been a key reasons for encouraging companies to go public. Indian Manufacturing Purchasing Market Index PMI rose to 56.4% in December from 56.3 in November. For PMI, a reading above 50 means there is an improvement in sectors, while a reading of below 50 indicates a deterioration in sentiments. This is the fifth straight move when the PMI has remained above 50. Continuing the same topics to our good to know section, let us know what is PMI. PMI is an indicator of business activities and it is calculated separately for the manufacturing and the services sector. It tracks variables such as sales, employments, price and inventories. Thank you for today's video. Stay tuned with us.